Good morning, grade 5. How are you today? Today we will take another new lesson. How do scientists support their conclusions? Again, the new lesson is how do scientists support their conclusions? Today is Sunday, 26 April 2020. We have two pages today, 344, 345. Now, learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, you are able to know how to do investigations and to know how to analyze and interpret information and draw conclusions. Before I start, I want to show here video about this experiment. So all of you please focus in this video. Listen.
Which towel absorbs the most water? Let's find out. Let's dip brand A's paper towel in 100 milliliters of water.
Now this is towel A.
There's 20 milliliters of water remaining. Let's dip brand B's paper towel in 100 milliliters of water.
The same amount every time.
There's 15 milliliters of water remaining. Let's dip brand C's paper towel in 100 milliliters of water. There's 35 milliliters of water remaining.
So the best one
Let's
is
repeat
towel
this test
B.
2 more times.
You have to repeat it 2 more times. Now the third trial. The third trial.
Here are the final results.
So which one did you think? Let me see. The best one. All of you focus. Okay. You have to put 100 milliliter of water into cups, and as you see in the video, and we have 3 kinds of towel, brand A, brand B, brand C. The result is, as you see in the video, in brand A, the first trial 20, brand B 15, 35. Now, which towel absorbed the most? Brand B absorbed the most. You see here only 15 millimeter left from 100. Here 12. Here also again 15. So how did carrying out repeated trials help you trust your conclusions? My trials gave similar data each time. This indicates that my conclusion is not based on a one-time mistake or random chance. So that you have to repeat your trial because maybe there is any mistake or any random chance. Here we have pictures of birds here. Tell what you can conclude about this bird's beak based on your observation. Here we have different kinds of beaks, different shapes. Maybe they use it to crush and cutting, okay, the seeds or can eat animals, some Some pigs help them to eat, cut the meat. Now, draw conclusions. Scientists draw conclusion about what have discovered by interpreting their data. How? Analyze, evaluate, interpret, infer. Now here, after analyzing the information that has been collected, you have to repeat it more than one time. Your test, your trial. Scientists draw conclusion about what they have discovered. Now, scientists defend this conclusion by using the observation. How you use your observation? Who can tell me? Yes, by using your five senses: see, touch. They made it during their investigation. Sometimes different conclusions can be drawn from the same data. Now, other scientists may question the methods that scientists use to draw their conclusion, and the evidence from the investigation must be researched and reviewed. So, the evidence from the investigation must be researched and reviewed again. For example, the behavior of some types of birds, not well known, but scientists must continue to collect and interpret data in order to understand the different behavior. As example, such as their migration patterns, diet, and shelter preferences. Scientists have drawn conclusions about these bird behavior, but the scientist conclusion must be defended with appropriate scientific observation. Now, these scientists are collecting data about bird behavior by placing identification bands around the bird's legs. Okay, who can read for us? Give an example. What is one way scientists may defend a conclusion? And all of you have to underline a statement in the text to support your answer. So you have to underline scientists defend those conclusions by using the observations they made during their investigations. So the answer is by using observations. By using observations. Now here, let's revise. How is a scientific observation different from an opinion? Yes, excellent answer. A scientific observation can be agreed upon and verified by other people. An opinion is a personal belief that is not always based on a fact. Which statement is an observation and which is an opinion? The sunset is pretty. Is it observation or is it opinion? The sunset is at 8 p.m. Oh, what did you think? The sunset is pretty is an opinion, but the sunset is at 8 p.m. is an observation. You see what is the difference? Okay, thank you, my dear students, for your listening, and we will complete our lesson, inshallah, tomorrow. Thank you.